So right now we have a flash crash happening with crypto. I'm going to show you that in just a minute, but going to basically point out right here on the screen that you see there is a massive amount of fear right now that the U.S. is about to default on their debt. So stocks slide with debt talks. Dow's down 297. Expect this to fall more. Nasdaq's down 132. You're like, hey Austin, I don't own any stocks. I don't care. You should. Well, yes, you should own some stocks, not investing advice, but you should care because they're tied together. And so you can see what you see on this page, the Dow down to almost 300, Nasdaq down 130 is what is driving this. It is the fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the financial markets of the fact that we could be looking at the debt default happening right here. Debt ceiling talks stalled. So this is not good for our financial markets. This cannot happen. If the U.S. defaults on their debt, it is one of the worst financial scenarios that will happen. And you will see crypto move down even further from this. But Bitcoin down basically almost 4%, Ethereum down 3.6%. The hardest hit right now is Pepe down 14%. That has nothing to do with the debt default. It's just Pepe doing a little bit of move down, kind of push down. I own Pepe. I'm a big fan of that. Love what they're doing from a meme coin standpoint. Phantom and then GMX, SU, Pancake Swap, Stacks, etc. Kind of the main ones being hit right now. But Bitcoin moving down almost 4%, Ethereum down 3.6%. Kind of looking down, XRP down a little under 3%. Dogecoin down 3.5, but SHIB's down 4.8. I've said this before in videos that Shiba Inu tends to react more aggressively, positive or negative, when we have kind of bad things or good things going on in the market. And you can see that SHIB's reacting a little bit more aggressively right now with this scenario playing out. But I think that we're going to continue to see this play out for the next couple of days. And you're going to see this situation with the fear around the debt default, the U.S. defaulting on their debt. We've got to get this negotiated and get this done so that that doesn't happen, because you will see wide-ranging impact across all financial markets, crypto, obviously stocks, financial markets. It's not good on any front. So if you're looking around like, why is crypto down right now? It is because of this kind of flash crash scenario playing out in the stock market. Fear and uncertainty around the U.S. defaulting on their debt. So with that, yeah, we're just in this storm. So we have to ride out this storm. I'll see you. More news coming as it develops.